can you all see this get data? Get data.
Insert के नीचे नजर आ रहा है.
Please click on that. Now once you click on that, this window pops up. Please click on Excel workbook.
Yeah, ma'am, please go slow.
Okay.
Yes, this is my request.
I'm sorry.
जहाँ
So
पे
I-
आप लोगों ने अपनी Excel sheets
So get data.
save करी थी, जो downloaded थी.
Go to Excel workbook. Double click on Excel workbook. And please go to that sheet where you have downloaded.
Ma'am, actual or plan?
Which one?
So we need to take action.
Actual or plan?
Plan.
Ma'am, plan sheet.
Plan sheet.
Plan sheet.
Plan cost sheet. Double click on that.
Then go ahead.
Okay. Now I hope everyone can see this window.
मैम एक क्वेरी है.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ये जो हम जो चार बने हुए थे ना आपकी स्क्रीन पे पावर बीआई पे,
हाँ.
तो उसमें था इंपोर्ट डेटा फ्रॉम
आप इससे भी कर सकते हैं सेम स्टेप.
कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल. Okay, I hope everyone can see this.
Yes.
Okay, please click on plan cost and click on transform data.
Transform data.
Because we are going to transform this Excel sheet for Power BI. Transform data.
ट्रांसफॉर्म पे क्लिक
नहीं हो रहा? मैम एक बार देखना मुझे. Okay. I'm just going back to the PPT. Right? Okay. So the first thing was data source. Right? Just be wherever you are. I'm just connecting with the PPT. So the first thing was data source. Now the data source which we have is an Excel sheet, right? So Excel sheet का जो data है, जो भी दो files which we have shared, plan sheet and plan cost and actual cost, those are actually a data source, right? And now what we clicked, transform data. So what we are doing is data transformation. So we are actually moving towards the data transformation. So I am just going back to my Power BI. Oh, so I hope we all are at this level, right?
Yes.
Now what we'll be doing, we'll be transforming the data. Now if you all can see, the first row, activity ID, WBS, activity name, subcontractor, these are what? These are table headings. And our table headings are actually given in first row. And we don't want that. What we want is, the column header should not be the first row. Right? So what we'll be doing, can you all see this use first row as headers? So we will be clicking on this button. Use first row as headers. Just click on it. And now, once you have clicked it, you can see the first row is not actually the column headings. अभी column heading ऊपर छोड़िए.
वो अपने आप ऊपर मूव कर गया है and activity ID है.
आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो.
वो अब आपके headers वो बन गए हैं.
और इसको सिलेक्ट कर लें. Are you all with me? Thank you. Okay. So what actually we have done? We have changed the first row and we have placed it as a header. Now this is the first thing what we have done in our data transformation. Now the next thing what we'll be doing is,
Ma'am, when we have to go back, like we have in computer Control Z, is there any other option we can go back?
yes we have, ma'am. Can you see this applied steps? Okay. Just now what we have done, we have changed type 1. अभी जो last step है वो आपको यहाँ पे visible होगा, right? आप इस पे right click करिए. Can you see this delete button? Please click on delete button. Okay. Once again you are back to the previous step. ठीक है? I am not deleting it because I don't want to go back. But in case you want to go back, like Control Z करना है, so the
And
best
you
way of
can
doing it
delete
is,
any step from between also.
yeah. All you need to do is you need to go to
at any step.
the applied step, right click and delete. Right? Now the next thing what we'll be doing is we will be removing the blank row from the activity ID. Now the first column is the activity ID. Yes?
Select the first
The first column is the activity ID.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
will select it. Can you all see remove rows?
Yes,
Please see
ma'am.
where my cursor is. Click here. And leave no. Remove blank rows. So I am just clicking on remove blank rows. So my blank row, all the blank rows which are there in the activity ID, null is not a blank.
Acha, okay.
What is it?
Null is not a blank. Zero is not a blank.
If nothing is written, that is a blank.
Exactly. Okay. So I have deleted the blank rows. Now what I want is, I want that in the total column. I'm just scrolling it further, and I hope you all can see the total column. Total column is there. आप अपने डेटा शीट में देखिए. थोड़ा सा आगे स्क्रॉल करिए, and what I want is in this total column, I don't want zero to be there. So what I do, I'll click on this button and I will uncheck zero from here. So basically I am filtering the data, right? So I have unchecked zero and now I'll click on OK. Now if you see the applied steps, अभी applied step में जैसे जैसे आप transform कर रहे हैं, those steps are actually visible in the applied cell sections here, right? So now what we have done, we have unchecked zero from the total. Now what we want is, we want to change the number format of this total column to fixed decimal number. Abhi this is actually just a number and we want to change it to fixed decimal number.
You can see जितने भी columns हमारे हैं, उनकी जो headings है, साथ में ABC या 1, 2, 3 या 1.2 कुछ लिखा हुआ है. For example, with subcontractor it is written ABC, with total it is written ABC and 1, 2, 3. That specifies the data type of in that column. ठीक है, कि subcontractor में it is like character data type, तो ABC show कर रहा है. Total में it's character plus the numbers. But in total we just want the numeric data. तो उसके लिए मैम के access है.
I hope you all know what data type is, right? So what we'll be doing is, I'm just clicking on this ABC 1, 2, 3, right? And I can see fixed decimal number. So I'll just click on fixed decimal number. As I change that, what happens? If the data type changes to fixed decimal.
Fixed decimal. Yeah.
फिर से अभी ऐसे था, ABC 1, 2, 3 पे हमने क्लिक करा, राइट क्लिक नहीं, सिंपल क्लिक. Okay, can you see this fixed decimal number?
Yes.
Click on fixed decimal number.
Yeah, can we change from dollar to INR?
Yes ma'am, we can. We can.
Currency type.
Use first to
Okay. हम कर तो सकते हैं. I just हमने करा था, but I just
Just fixed decimal point में ना और dollars actually choice में भी dollars है.
हम चेंज कर सकते हैं, हम सब कॉपी में कर सकते हैं. मैंने करा. मैम अभी आप लोग थोड़ी देर में. Okay. Now if you all can see this column, this total data, can you see a small red sign which is coming here?
Yes.
Now this is actually representing the error. Now the reason it is representing an error, this particular cell, error जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, there was a text data written over there.
Null value was
Okay.
there.
And we don't want that, since we converted into a fixed decimal number, so it is showing that there is an error. And if you see other columns, सारे के सारे green आ रहे हैं, केवल total में there is a red which is appearing, which is representing that there is an error. So So what we want is we want to remove this error. So okay. Now once again we'll click on remove rows and we will click on remove errors. So errors are removed. मैं बता दी बेटा
जरूरत नहीं है
Shall I repeat it? Everyone please pay attention. So I just clicked on total column, remove rows and remove errors. Done? Okay. So we have removed the error. Thank you. माउस के बिना नहीं।
अच्छा क्या चाहिए आपको?
नहीं कुछ नहीं स्लॉट पॉइंटर दे देना।
ऐसे वो दिख नहीं रहा।
Okay. Now if we see a data set, अभी टोटल के बाद जितने भी कॉलम्स आ रहे हैं आगे, they are actually dates. 1, 2. These are representing the dates.
And most of the cells are null.
Null. Right?
Yes.
Now what we want is we want to bring this data in the row wise. These are actually column headings. We want to change that from first one. We want to bring it into one particular column. तो अभी अलग है. हम इसको single एक column में लेकर आएंगे. Basically what we want is we want to unpivot the data, right? So I will select these columns. Please pay attention. This is an important step. I'll repeat it once again. So I'll select these columns. So I'm starting from activity ID, WBS, activity name, subcontractor, total. That's it. क्योंकि इसके आगे तो हमारी dates है, right? And I'll just click here on this green part, right click, and there is an option of unpivot other columns. So basically whatever columns are left, we are trying to unpivot them, right? So अभी मैंने unpivot other column करा. You all can see अभी dates आ गई हैं एक ही single column में, right? और आगे जो values है, ये पहले ये इस column की जो values थी सब ऊपर थी, right? अभी हमने क्या करा, इसको एक single column पे लिया है. This is way through which we are trying to clean our data.
टोटल तक सारे select करिए sir.
I will repeat it once again. Okay. So I am doing it once again. I am starting from activity ID, WBS, activity name, subcontractor and total. These are the 5 columns which I have selected. Now I will click on this green line, right click on the green line. I will get this window and I will click on unpivot other columns. Right? So now what we get is we get dates and the values which are written on those under those dates on that particular column. जो dates वो सारी की सारी values आपका एक separate column होने right? नहीं आया समझ में?
बस आगे मैम आउटकम नहीं समझ आया.
Outcome नहीं समझ में. Okay.
नेविगेशन समझ आया.
If you see these are dates which are written here, and under these dates, under certain set of data, there are certain values written on. जैसे 8 set के नीचे ये 3 set of values written है और बाकी सब कुछ null है. तो what if we have a separate column, ठीक है? हर डेट का let's say 8 Feb का 3 columns आ जाए और उनकी values आ जाए, तो क्या होगा, ये जो null data है ये सारा का सारा हट जाएगा. हम एक सिंगल फ्रेम में ये सारा का सारा डेटा एक साथ लेकर आ रहे हैं डेट वाइज, और फिर हम एक पर्टिकुलर कॉलम बना देंगे जिसका नाम हम डेट रखते हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग सेपरेट डेट्स एज अदर सेपरेट कॉलम्स, हम एक सिंगल कॉलम डेट का बनाते हैं. सो पर्पस इज कि हम डेटा को रिफाइन कर रहे हैं.
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन,
हाँ जी,
जैसे मैं रिजल्ट एनालिसिस करती हूँ, ठीक है, सीरियल नंबर आ गया, एनरोलमेंट नंबर आ गया, नेम आ गया, और ये चारों को नंबर जो है मार्क्स उनको हमने एक में डाल के कॉलम अनडाइवर्ट करके सिर्फ उनके परसेंट ले आए, सो वो लिंक करने में बेटर रहेगा।
मैम ये तो एक बार
हाँ, करके देखना
पड़ेगा,
है ना?
हो
तो
जाएगा।
फिर वो ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा और फिर स्टूडेंट्स के डेटा के साथ।
लेकिन एक बार पूरा तो आपको एंट्री
करनी पड़ेगी। Okay, so I'm once again repeating the same step. Unpivot other column. Okay. So now in my data set I have two separate column, attributes और values करके आ गया. Now what I do, I'll rename these columns. ठीक है? तो हम attribute पर जाएंगे, double click. So I'm renaming the columns, attribute पे double click. I'll delete it and I'll simply write date. ठीक है? Now once again I'll go to this value column. Again I'll double click. I'll delete it and I'll say this is my planned cost. So I'm basically renaming the column. ठीक है? Okay. Now once again I'll change the data type of these columns. अभी date is ABC, which is a text-based data. I'll change it to date. So I'll click on this ABC. I'll get this data type date. Date में convert. ठीक है? अभी planned cost भी हमारा ABC 1 2 3 में आ रहा है, and I want to change it to fixed decimal number, right? So once again, are you all with me?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll click on ABC 1 2 3 once again, and I'll change it to fixed decimal number. Undo the changes. We will go to this applied steps. Right click, delete. Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
The last step. You are getting error.
मैं देख सकती हूँ।
देखना एक बार.